Monroe XO here, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an exciting one. It is the Ivy Park Adidas collaboration. Beyonce, thank you. I am a little mad, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie at all. Used to buy Ivy Park from Top Shop. I didn't have to wait in a line. Now I'm buying from Adidas and I'm in waiting rooms, and it is what it is though. It is what it is. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. And also thumbs this video up if you like a curvy girl haul, because I got you. I was excited about this, you know. We just had a baby 2 months ago, so I'm ready to get my little athletic gear on, work out, all that good stuff. So Beyonce has inspired me to get in shape, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Anyway though, let's go ahead and get into it. As always, links will be below in the description box. So if you see something you like, treat yourself. And also, I know where y'all can still get stuff from. It's not all sold out because I literally just ordered on Sunday and got it today. So it is what it is. Let's go ahead and get it started. Okay, so here we have this orange and maroon jumpsuit. It is so cute. It's so different from anything, probably any piece I own in my wardrobe. I like that it has like the Velcro pockets, all cargo pockets as well, all up and down. You've also got your side pockets, and then there's a drawstring to cinch in your waist if you want to cinch or let it out. Buttons go all the way down to like probably hip area. And then when I first put this on, I was a little discouraged by how big this was, but then I realized you can tighten it. How good is that? That's good. That's cool. That's cool. But I kind of like it like a little big sleeve, oversized. I'm trying, but I ain't trying. You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? Zippers. Like, you could have everything in here, okay? Like, everything. Tuck your pocket in if you want, or not. But anyways, yeah, this is the first piece. Also, I think I like the detailing in the back. I think it says, does it say Ivy Park over here on this side or that side? One of the two. But this is a really cute piece. So different, and I am 100% glad that I went ahead and put it in my shopping cart. Because I looked at it like, that ain't for you. That ain't for you, but this is for me. Okay, so next we have these two pieces, which is the sports bra. I'm a bit confused because I did order, well, I ordered the sports bra and I thought it came with like a shrug. Is that what it's called? But it didn't. It just came with sports bra, which is cool. The sports bra is cool. I just thought it was something a little different. So, whatever. Anyways, I love that it came with these, which you can pop in and out if you want it or not. I don't really like them. They usually get thrown away, so I'm glad that it's an option that they can be removed. This sports bra is really, really, really cute. I got my bottoms in a medium, and I definitely should have gotten a large. I normally get a large in Ivy Park, but I don't know why I ordered a medium. Like, what was up? Anyways, the color, everything. This orange, I'm hoping it picks up on camera as bright as it does in person because it is so pretty. There's also like mesh detailing on the thigh, which is good. I don't know, I really like these. I really like these. They come at the perfect length on me. Like, they hit the perfect ankle length. If you guys can see that, I hope that I have my camera zoomed out enough. But the ankle length is really good. Again, I like the colors. I have nothing in these colors to work out in that I own. And I'm trying to step out of wearing just black all the time. So this is bottom. This is bottom. Okay, next we have the joggers, which are absolutely my fave. Those pockets have zippers, which is cool. I like the drawstring. And then again, we have more pockets, but all the pockets are different. Like, it's so cool. Then you have like an option to open up if you want to, you know, I don't know, have a little knee out. I don't know. Yeah, there's more pockets down here, and then I think there's a little thingy on the back as well if you like, but I'll probably just stick to the regular pockets. And since it's winter and my knees are cold, I'll probably keep this buttoned up. Yeah, I really like these. These are so comfy. And when I say quality material, like quality. This is something I'd probably just wear just running errands or around the house or something like that. Like, this is just everyday chill vibes for me, if you know what I mean. If you know what I mean. Okay, so the next two are separate pieces. I got the bike shorts in this like neon orange, and the top also in the neon orange. I think it also comes in burgundy. The top I got in a medium, and I definitely should have gotten a large because I feel like I'm like sucked in a little bit too much. I couldn't figure out how to get the padding out. I don't know, maybe I need to take a little bit more time, so it's like, it's in there still. But hopefully it's removable. My favorite thing about this two-piece is the bike shorts. I like the mesh paneling on the side. And then I like that it kind of looks like you have underwear all over the top, which is very weird, but still cute at the same time. Yeah, this is cute, minus the bra. Not with the bra. But other than that, these bike shorts I'm definitely keeping because they're cute. I think I like this color on my skin tone as well. Like this color is, maybe I can resize this. I'll order this in a large because this is like a US 14, I think. And I definitely need a US 18 because this is not working for either girl. And then we have the last piece, which is this Ivy Park dress with the mesh arms. Also, we have the zip up capability or zip up option. I'm not a zip up girl. Well, I am. I guess it just depends on what it is. But yeah, I like this zip down. I like the little asymmetrical like side part. I got mine in a medium. I'm thinking that I should have gotten a large, but then maybe it wouldn't have. But then maybe it wouldn't be as tight as it is. Maybe it might be kind of like a little loose. But I like this. This is cute. I love the material. I like the mesh arms. The zip is a nice feature, and it says like Ivy Park down here. I really don't know how to describe this material. It's kind of like ribbed, breathable niceness. I don't know. It's cute though. It's cute. And then the last thing I'm going to show you guys is the shoes I got. Okay, so these are the shoes. I would have put them on in the video for you guys, but they are a little too snug. What I am going to do is order them in my correct size and then go from there. But they're so cute. I love this colorway. Like, this colorway is everything. So some of them were hits, some of them were misses, but we had a lot more hits than we did misses, which is always a good thing when you shop online. My favorite is definitely the joggers. I'm about to throw them bad boys on right now and go about my day. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. Always, always, always remember to spread love, inspire others, and strive for greatness. And I'll see y'all soon. Bye.